Alright guys, welcome back to part 2 here of the Rainwater off-grid DIY water catchment system here. So I've gone ahead and taken apart part of the gutter here, and let's go ahead and move over. I'll show you what I've done. I've got the gutter right there, and then over on this side you can see here I got a diverter, and it's hooked up to a piece of flexible PVC that's going to attach to what we just looked at. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the 3-inch pipe over here, and then put everything on the wall and get it going. Just want to say this piece of flexible pipe is pretty awesome. Get it on the Amazon. All my links below for these parts will be available there, but this just allows for a little bit of play for moving the gutter just a inch over or so. And I didn't want to use the actual piece of offset that they actually sent with this diverter piece here, but this seems to be working out pretty well. I'm pretty excited to put that up. This diverter right here is going to be an awesome piece of equipment. It's going to help me divert the water during the winter months. So right now, when it's setting right here, it flows down this pipe. When it's over here, it'll be going to the rain catchment system. So this will be a seasonal thing. When winter comes along, I'll put it to the right, to the left when I want to capture water. So here's the 3-inch pipe I'm going to use for the rainwater catchment. I actually primed and painted this. Just wanted it to look really nice. Used a can of primer and a can of primer and semi-gloss. Now I do have some parts here going on the rain catchment system here. Right here I have a leaf eater. This is going to go on top of the PVC pipe. It's going to catch a lot of sediment coming off the roof. Then I have a first flush system here. This works with the PVC. The ball comes up the PVC pipe, fills up first with all the dirty water, and then it diverts water over, and this slowly drains out. I bought the extra screen for this right here. So there are the parts. Got an extra flexible offset here I'm going to use to go from here to here. But you'll see it all hooked up once I get things going. Alright guys, let's take a look at some of the installed parts here. I got the first offset going to the diverter, then down to the second offset, then to the leaf eater. Leaf eater is going down the first flush pipe. I have my T where I'll come off to fill the tank. And then the first flush system is that 3-inch PVC pipe which goes to the bottom. Let's go down and take a closer look at the tank and some of the things I've done down there. And this a few days ago. Came out really well. I'm glad I sprayed it. That new sprayer I'm using is pretty awesome. You can see from here, here's all my connections. I put everything together this morning, dry fit everything, and did a lot of my gluing. Now I'm just doing some finish work on it. So I'm still figuring out the vent system, what I want to do. I might come off with a small CVPC 1/2-inch vent and come up from here off this lid and do a small vent there. And I'm probably going to do my overflow down here off the main outlet of the tank and come up 45 attached to the IBC Tote rails here, then go over and then tie into a existing diverter line that comes off the main gutter system. So still have a little work to do here, but I got through the major stuff. Now for the bottom of the tank here, I did go ahead and remove some of the sod, used some crushed stone and using pavers, leveled everything out to put the IBC Tote on. Alright guys, let's take a look here at the 45-degree pipe that's coming off the diverter going into the IBC Tote here. That's 2-inch. So it's going from 3-inch to 2-inch. I don't think that's going to be much of an issue here, but I'll watch it. If it does back up, then I'll just replace it with a 3-inch pipe. I also have my overflow pipe here. It's coming out. Have a quick disconnect down there. It's going up. And then here I drilled 3 holes in the top because I didn't want to have a siphon. And I covered that with some cloth that you put in your cabinets for your dishes. This line will eventually come down and connect to our drainage, which comes off our gutters. Here's the final product for the overflow line. Also put a stainless steel outlet on the bottom. That's where we're going to hook up our pump to get water out of the IBC Tote. So guys, really pleased with this. A lot of work, but going to be well worth it, and looking forward to collecting rainwater here. Lastly, just want to show you the reducer. I have 2-inch to 3-inch going down to the drainage that ties into our existing gutters. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. Really appreciate you taking time to check out what I'm working on, and I'm sharing this with you because hopefully maybe you'll build one of these, or this is of interest to you. Hopefully going to add more IBC totes or storage for increased capacity, and be able to water the gardens and other things around the house. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment. I'll catch you next time.